It's just a song about a fast motorcycle, I guess. Well, it could be a song about addiction. I think that, let me just say that my opinion is that this thing we call addiction is just the visible part of the spectrum of something that really has another name. Just human nature. When human nature shows up to a degree that it debilitates us enough that we can't show up for work, we have a name for it. We call it addiction. The rest of the time, we're just looking for a tangible thing to fill that intangible yearning. So that might be just how a song about a motorcycle could wind up being about addiction. Tank is full, the switch is on, the night is warm, cops are gone, the rocket bike is all her own, it's called a hurricane. She told me once it's quite a ride, she said that there's this place inside where if you're moving, you can hide, safe within the rain. She wants to run away. Nowhere that she can go, nowhere the pain won't come again. Now she can hide in the pouring rain. She rides, I am a hurricane. Tell the truth, explain to me how you got this need for speed. Well, she laughed and said it might just be the next best thing to love. But hope is gone, she confessed that when you lay your dream to rest, you can get what's second best, but it's hard to get enough. She wants to run away, there's nowhere that she can go. Now she can hide in the pouring rain. She rides, and I am a hurricane. We saw her ride so fast last night, racing by a flash of light, riding quick. The street was dark, the shiny truck she thought was parked blocked her path, stopped her heart, but not the hurricane. She saw her chance to slip the trap, there's just the room to pass in back.